Okay, just to put it in perspective, that's Nevis, and this is St. Kitts. Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here I am in beautiful St. Kitts and Nevis. This is country number 94 for me, and that's probably what you're used to seeing in the background. That's the dock there in Basseterre where the ships come in. Right now I'm here in the off season, but it is a lovely place. And no ships right now, but I am definitely enjoying my time. I just went and checked out the local market, and I hope you guys will enjoy this episode. Stay golden. Love that, God's blessings on the boat there. So good vibes and good energy. Right here at the market. Again, it is off season here, so it's much quieter than it would be when you guys come in the winter, but let's see what they got. So some beautiful fruits. So, well, first it's off season, but I also came during the week. So on Saturdays it's much busier, but yeah, they're saying in the winter months, every single stall is packed and busy with the cruise ships. So right now there's no cruise ships coming in, so it's very quiet, but I can appreciate the quiet and I'm enjoying it so far. But it looks beautiful art. And these might be the greatest barbecues in the world. I'm not kidding. I know the people spend thousands on them in the US and other parts of the world, but simple charcoal and my goodness, is it good food. Still work in progress. And the beer of the country. Hey, sorry to pause the video. Just need to ask some help from all of you. Currently only about 10% of all of you watching are subscribed. So as you can see, I'm working my butt off here, trying to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. I'm doing it with a smile in the rain right now. But yeah, if you could please hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a family member. That would help with the magic YouTube algorithms. And it's not just for me. I'm wanting to give out some nice prizes as well. So every time my subscriber count doubles, I'm going to be giving out a nice gift pack from the country I'm in at that time to one of my lucky subscribers. So I gave one out at 500, gave one out at 1,000, gave one out at 2,000. Can't wait to give one out at 4,000. So again, please hit that subscribe button and appreciate all the support. Stay golden. Buddy. Okay, so let's check this craft market out. Again, off season, so it might be a little less busy, as I'm sure all these stalls are full in the peak season. But yeah, I'm here in July right now, so it's definitely a lot quieter than most of you would be thinking of coming, February or January or something like that. But yeah, beautiful clothing, some nice jewelry. Beautiful dresses. Hello. I'm so good. How are you? This is a land of plenty. They have almond trees growing right on the street here. Look at those beautiful almonds. So it's not quite the season for them yet, but yeah, just walking down the street you can help yourself to plenty of there's thousands on that tree there. Obviously the birds will get a bunch of them, but yeah, it just has the right weather for growing many things here, and gotta love free almonds on the street. Got the old style telephone. From the British days. And let's check out this beautiful church. All right, let's go to Nevis. All right, we made it to Nevis. Welcome to Nevis. So yeah, it's about a half-hour ferry ride from where I was staying in Basseterre in St. Kitts. Some parts northern on the island of St. Kitts, it's like a 6-minute speedboat ride. So it definitely varies depending on where you're staying. In the far distance, you can see some of the island of St. Kitts. But yeah, here we are. Let's go check it out. All right, beautiful fried chicken, got some pepper sauce and a cold beer. Let's give it a go here. Nice pepper sauce. Got beautiful breading on it. Oh, it's perfect. Of course, always a Carib to wash it down. Cheers. Delicious chicken. Crispy, juicy. That pepper sauce is amazing. Not too spicy, very flavorful. I love it. Hey, thanks so much for watching another episode of Travel with Carter. As I take off from St. Kitts and Nevis, had an amazing time here. The people were wonderful. Food was phenomenal, and the beaches and nature was just out of this world. Again, if you guys are enjoying what you're watching, please hit that subscribe button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how this channel grows, and I can continue my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. I'm getting there, and if you guys help out with the likes and subscribes, it does wonders for the YouTube algorithms. And again, tune in next week for a new episode. I can't tell you from where just yet, but check it out every Sunday for a new episode. Stay golden all.